Here's a brief snippet that I call the Saturn Love Letter from Heather Ensworth's book. Enki's more fluid way of being and his identity as the mediator between the realm of heaven and earth and the God and humans is more consistent with the astrological nature of the planet Saturn. This planet bridges the realm of the invisible and visible for us, as it is the outermost visible planet in our sky. Yet unlike its medieval associations with lead and the weight of form, it's a gaseous planet and the only one in our solar system that is less dense than water. It is almost entirely gas and liquid and consists mostly of hydrogen, the life force of the universe. Astronomers now question whether it has a solid rock core or more likely a molten liquid core. In its essence, Saturn is fluid and bridges the worlds. Saturn has a hot interior and radiates more energy into space than it receives from the sun. It is surrounded by beautiful rings of ice and space debris that it has shaped into form with its gravitational field. These ever-changing rings speak to us of the possibilities of living in a more fluid and ever-changing manner. Amazingly, it has a hexagonal pattern at its north pole due to a storm system that swirls there. In sacred geometry and in ancient cultures, the hexagon is seen as a symbol of harmony and balance. It is the shape of life, as in the honeycombs of bees and the shape of snowflakes. As a six-sided figure, it resonates with the number 6, which in numerology and in the tarot is symbolic of love and union. When I read this, I just thought it was amazing. It made me think about how if Saturn were in our, if we were taking a bath, for example, just as an example, Saturn would float on top of the water, and it has so much hydrogen that there is a good chance that we breathe in what was in Saturn, what is part of Saturn every day. Pretty amazing that we say that we're separate from things when our bodies incorporate that which they are made of.